A bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's a sanctuary where your personal style and comfort come together. The right carpet can completely change the mood of a bedroom, making it feel warmer, cozier, and more inviting. It's not just about covering the floor. It's about adding texture, softness, and personality to your space. With so many materials, styles, and colors available in 2026, choosing the perfect carpet can feel overwhelming. Should you go for plush or flat weave? Neutral tones or bold patterns? Wool or synthetic fibers? In this video, we'll guide you step by step, exploring the best carpet types for bedrooms, how to choose the right color, texture, and size, as well as styling tips and maintenance tricks that ensure your carpet remains a beautiful centerpiece for years to come. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in selecting a carpet that elevates your bedroom to a place of comfort, elegance, and style. 1. Understanding bedroom carpets. Bedrooms are spaces of rest, relaxation, and personal reflection, unlike living rooms or high-traffic areas. A bedroom carpet doesn't just need durability, it needs to feel comforting under your feet. Soft textures, plush piles, and natural fibers create an inviting atmosphere where you can unwind at the end of the day. A well-chosen carpet acts as the foundation for your entire bedroom decor. It sets the tone for furniture, bedding, curtains, and accessories. For instance, a neutral wool carpet can make bold-colored bedding stand out, while a patterned carpet can bring a sense of movement and energy to a minimalist room. Every time you step onto your carpet, it should feel like a gentle invitation to relax. 2. Key carpet types for bedrooms. When it comes to choosing the best carpet for your bedroom in 2026, understanding different carpet types is essential. Wool carpets remain timeless. They are naturally soft, durable, and insulating, making them perfect for colder climates or anyone who enjoys a luxurious underfoot feel. Wool also retains its color beautifully, which is ideal if you want a carpet to remain vibrant for years. Synthetic carpets, such as nylon or polyester, are gaining popularity because of their durability and stain resistance. They offer a velvety texture and a wide range of colors and patterns, making them suitable for families or those who want low-maintenance options without sacrificing style. 3. Choosing the right texture. Texture is often overlooked, but it can make or break the feel of a bedroom. A soft, plush texture instantly adds comfort and luxury, while a low-pile carpet offers practicality and ease of cleaning. This year, designers are also experimenting with layered textures, such as placing a small patterned rug on top of a larger neutral base. Textures can also influence perception. Smooth, flat weaves make a small bedroom feel larger, while a deep, plush carpet adds coziness to a spacious room. Consider how your carpet feels under bare feet and how it complements your bedding, curtains, and furniture. The goal is to create a tactile experience that is both stylish and inviting. 4. Picking the perfect color. Color has the power to define your bedroom's mood. Soft neutrals like cream, beige, or gray create a calm and relaxing retreat, ideal for a good night's sleep. Warm tones such as terracotta, muted peach, or taupe bring energy and intimacy, while cooler shades like pastel blue, green, or lavender promote relaxation and tranquility. In 2026, designers are also exploring subtle patterns and gradient designs to add personality without overwhelming the space. If you prefer a minimalist bedroom, sticking to 1 or 2 complementary shades works beautifully. But if you want a more dynamic look, consider mixing soft patterns with neutral bases for a sophisticated and modern aesthetic. Always aim for harmony between your carpet and the rest of your decor to create a cohesive and visually appealing bedroom. 5. Size and placement tips. Choosing the right size and placement is crucial. A carpet that's too small can make a room feel disjointed, while the right size ties the space together. Ideally, A bedroom carpet should extend under the bed and leave enough margin around the edges so your feet touch it when you get out of bed. In larger bedrooms, layering carpets can add depth and style. For example, a neutral wool carpet paired with a smaller patterned rug near the bedside creates visual interest and a feeling of luxury. For smaller rooms, a single well-chosen carpet can make the space feel larger and more cohesive. Placement should also consider furniture layout, ensuring that the carpet anchors key pieces while defining zones in multifunctional spaces. 6. Maintenance and durability. A bedroom carpet should balance comfort with practicality. Wool carpets are naturally durable and resilient, while synthetic options like nylon or polyester offer stain resistance and easy cleaning. Regular vacuuming, occasional rotation, and prompt attention to spills will prolong your carpet's life. Adding a carpet pad underneath not only increases comfort, but also reduces noise and prevents premature wear. By choosing the right materials and caring for your carpet properly, you ensure it remains a luxurious centerpiece for years, keeping your bedroom stylish and inviting. 7. Eco-friendly choices. Sustainable carpets are no longer just a trend. They're a priority for 2026. Many carpets are now crafted from recycled materials, organic fibers, and non-toxic dyes. These options allow you to create a stylish bedroom while being environmentally responsible. Handcrafted and artisanal carpets are also gaining attention. Each piece supports local craftsmanship and adds a unique story to your space. Choosing a sustainable carpet transforms your bedroom into a thoughtful, conscious, and elegant sanctuary. 8. Styling tips for a cohesive look. Once your carpet is in place, styling around it brings everything together. Consider layering bedside mats or small accent rugs to complement the main carpet. Coordinate bedding, curtains, and wall colors with the carpet's tones to create harmony. Lighting also plays a vital role. Natural and artificial light can enhance textures and highlight subtle patterns, making your carpet the focal point without overwhelming the room. 9. Trends to watch in 2026. Soft textures, muted tones, and sustainable materials are leading bedroom carpet trends this year. Designers are blending classic and contemporary styles, exploring subtle patterns, and layering textures to create understated luxury. Neutral palettes dominate, occasionally accented by soft pops of color or art-inspired motifs. The key is to combine comfort, style, and personal taste to make your bedroom feel both modern and inviting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more modern home styling ideas. Your support helps us bring more creative inspiration straight to you. Thank you so much for watching.